Seattle. Trying to beat the storm coming in. That's what we're doing today on the farm. We got Henry in the Jeep, Chelsea in this green four-wheeler. We're going around to get this group over here. And we're gonna go and push them up into the trap. And then we got a couple over in the alfalfa field that we're gonna go push in as well. We're gonna try to get them sorted and weighed, but I don't know if we can make it or not. Clouds are really building up pretty quick. We don't ship until Wednesday, so we got a couple of days. Gotta wake some of these guys up from their restful nap. Oh, he's gotta stretch a little bit. Alright, perfect. Alright, so just open up this gate. Tell these guys, go away. Go away. They're probably just gonna come back out, but they should be able to come back in once we push everybody else in. Okay, now I can zoom back past these guys without bothering them. As long as they just stay here, I think we can just get them. We'll use this fence line and that fence, and we just use them as it as a gigantic funnel. It's kind of what our thought is. Yeah, I got you. Alright, so Henry's over there. He's gonna go take care of these guys over here. Chelsea's over there. She's gonna get these guys over here, and we're all just gonna kind of just come in and push them right into that gate. Just push them nice and slow, nice and steady. We don't want them to get freaked out and start running everywhere. Eventually they'll all start going that way. That's the plan anyways. Well, this is going to work out great. They're going to go right into the alfalfa chute or alfalfa fence. Now we've reduced their runaround of capabilities quite a bit. So now we can take them and we'll gather them and put them up into a gate over there, which we've been training them on this last week because we had them in this field. We had them in this field. They know where the water is, so now we just got to push them up into that. Round 2, or phase 2, I think it's phase 2. So I think what I'm going to do is go around on the other side so we can push them back. Henry will come down the fence line. I'll come down the other fence line and start pushing them in. We had them all gathered on this alfalfa field about 4 or 5 days ago, but my neighbor put some cows over here, and I was concerned about them pushing against this fence, and so we moved them just to help protect that fence a little bit because we were leaving town and I didn't want them getting out. So, but this isn't too bad as long as we can get them up into this other gate, but this is better. This will be good. So Henry's down there, he's going to push him off the fence. I'm going to come down here and push him off the fence, and then we'll get on a trail and head for the gate. Good looking bull right there. Hello. Hey. Yep. Hey, come on. Yeah. Get out of here. Yeah. Hey. Come on. Hey. Come on. Hey. Get out of here. Hey, get out of here. Them bad boys. They just went right behind me. That way, that way. See how hard it is to get them off the fence? Got other cattle sitting there. See if we can do this again. Come on. Hey, come on. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Get out of here. Hey, hey. Come on. All right. Well, we're getting them going. They want to stop and take a bite every step. Chelsea's going to go over there and push them to the right a little bit. The gate's right over here. We'll get them pushed up over there. They'll find that gate. Should be in pretty good shape. It's starting to rain on us, so I don't know if we're going to get to sorting and weighing today or not. But we will try. We'll see. Modern day cattle drive here, 4-wheelers and a car, herd of cows in front, pretty awesome. We're headed right for that gate. As long as a couple go in or one goes in, they'll all go in. Got one. Here they go. We got to keep a little bit of pressure on them. Okay, keep some pressure on these back ones so they don't zoom off. You got to push them my way, Chelsea. Those are the ones that missed the gate. They'll follow down the fence line because they see those other ones. So we got to put a little pressure on them to come back. Here we go. And there's always one. There's always one. And then they take all of them. See that? Let's get these. We need to get these by the gate. You and me, Henry. So the cows are gonna... Oh, come on. Oh, boy. What they do. They get real anxious. We gotta slow them down. But they want to run. They don't even know why they're running. Alright, now we gotta get them turned. And headed. The gates are set up. You're good. Don't go too close. You're gonna block them. You gotta get out of there, Chelsea. You gotta get out of there, Chelsea. The gates are set up so they go in where the hay is. The ones in the alleyway can't get out. Having other cattle helps, because see how they're all up against the fence line? So that other one should just turn right into them. There he goes. As long as we're not dumb and spook them, they should all just turn in.
Meters in the way it's coming traffic in.
They'll go in, I would suspect. You can come up some so you can get that gate. I'll go in with them. Hey, 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 hey. You've been caught. Okay, this is great. All right, so we're gonna move these guys with those guys into the alleyway, and then we're gonna open it up so they can go get some water. And we're gonna let the storm or these clouds pass a little bit, just in case there's lightning, and then once it passes, we'll get out of here. Whew. Go do some weighing, some sorting. Come on. Get out of here. That hay, they like that hay. Let's see if we can just take a little group here and push them out. Hey, come on. No, I cannot. Ja. All right, there's three. Come on, boys. Don't make this so hard. Whew. I need to get this hay out of here. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna slip by them here so they can go back up into that other pen to go get some water. So when you're doing this, you gotta be real quiet, real slow, and they'll start peeling off away from you, and then you can just keep making progress away. You don't want to get those feet up into you. I guarantee you it'll hurt. There we go. And this is when they start getting riled up. When you start working them. So we just take our time. Come on. Come on. Ooh, we got one down. This is why we don't want to push them hard. Okie dokie. Now we wait for this cloud to pass. Well, we had a rainstorm come through, and we're not sure how muddy it's going to be, so we're going to go check them out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day. Please remember to like and subscribe.